All right, everybody, it is June 8th, Monday. So we have our stock here that has switched on the algorithm telling us to get in long. So we just jumped in long. And we'll mark it up real quick and see how it goes. Okay, it's going to sit here and watch this one, but I'm going to step out for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and put my range order in. Oops, yeah, stop. That's what we want. Range. My low range is already there. And then 107.99. Oh no, my low range is not already there. 105. We're going to make it break it. Put it 105.80. All right, and then I'm going to cancel that order. And then sell. Okay, cool. So we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so we're going to change our stop here to our low range 107.99, and our high range we're going to go to 110, just so we can keep tracking this since I'm back in front of the computer. And as soon as it breaks through 107.99, looking at the level 2 here, we're getting out on the bid since we're long, so we got to see it here. Once we get there, we'll put the stop in. And then we'll see if it keeps on running. Hopefully it will. Get a 2-to-1 out, it would be nice. So I could have just put this order in and then hit clear and then sell instead of sitting here with nothing in the box. It's kind of dangerous. If something weird were to happen, then I wouldn't be able to get out of my trade. All right, 107.99. Just got to get through that so we can get our order in. 107, 108. Just want to give it a second. We go back through on the second run, then I'll put the stop in here. All right, so sell. So our order's in. If it backs up, and we're good. We got our 1-to-1, which is the strategy. Is a 1-to-1 strategy. There we go. So we got that. So all right, so we're out with our 1-to-1, 107.99. Sometimes we get lucky and it'll boost past, and then and then we'll get more out of it. 2-to-1, 3-to-1, whatever it is. The goal is to get a 1-to-1, and then everything after that is bonus money. So we don't sell before we get a 1-to-1 or a stop out. One of those two things will happen, and then as soon as we get past that, it's all bonus money. So all right, we'll see if another trade shows up on the board. All right, so I think that's going to do it for me today. I've been waiting for some other stuff to set up. It doesn't look like anything's setting up fast enough for me to be able to trade it, because I do have some other things I got to get done today. I only had a couple stocks that I only have a few stocks that I'm trading. And again, I trade the same ones every single day. And at the same time as this stock set up, my other stock set up right here. So I was only able to trade one of them. Both of them were winners, so that was nice. But yep, so and then my last one that I was going to trade today is way far away from being set up. So I'm going to go ahead and end this now and head out and get some stuff done now that we got some sunshine today. And we'll be back on tomorrow. Maybe, hopefully. I got to create content too for Udemy still. So I may be back on tomorrow. So we'll end today making an even $1 per share profit, and that gave us 50 bucks. So yeah, perfect. So we'll keep on growing this account, and the bigger the account gets, the bigger these numbers start to get. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.